Why you might file for a due process hearing. This information is for educational purposes only and is not specific legal or medical advice. Have you ever felt unheard by your child's school? If you're a parent of a child with disabilities, this can be a common feeling. I'm Michelle Kotler. For over 30 years, I've worked in special education as a certified teacher, school administrator, advocate, and attorney. I'm on a mission to empower as many parents as I can to help you get your child's educational needs met. When schools don't meet the needs of students, it can be frustrating. Under the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, or IDEA, due process hearings are one of your parental rights. Today, we will explore due process hearings and when they're necessary. First, let's understand what IDEA is. IDEA ensures children with disabilities receive a free, appropriate public education, or FAPE. This federal law applies to every state and territory in the United States. It mandates specific services and accommodations tailored to each student from birth to age 21 or high school graduation. Now, how does this relate to parents filing for a hearing? Sometimes schools don't comply with IDEA requirements, or you can have legitimate disagreements about what your child needs. If you face these issues and you've tried other methods to resolve them first, a due process hearing may be your solution. This hearing allows parents to dispute school decisions formally. Due process hearings are a legal process that requires evidence and an understanding of legal substance and procedures. The evidence you accumulate starts as soon as you or the school suspects or should suspect your child may have a disability. Check out my other videos on this channel to learn how to gather the evidence you need before filing for a due process hearing. Next, you file a written complaint for a due process hearing. It's very important to get your complaint correct the first time because it can be difficult to change or amend it later. There are many possible reasons a parent may want to file a complaint, such as, but not limited to, the school's failure to adhere to their child-find duties and promptly refer your child for evaluation based on suspected disability, evaluate your child properly in all areas of suspected disability, consider the results of an independent educational evaluation, reach the correct eligibility decision, draft an appropriate individualized education program or IEP for any of a number of reasons, which includes providing an appropriate placement that provides meaningful, more than trivial or de minimis academic benefit, implement the IEP as written, including any behavior intervention plan, adhere to legal requirements around behavior and discipline, follow significant procedural requirements such as keeping the IEP in force at all times, and/or providing prior written notice for changes or refusals to change certain aspects of the child's program, or promptly address bullying or harassment that rises to the level of a denial of FAPE. The hearing officer reviews the evidence and the law, and then decides what the school must do, if anything. These hearings can be a powerful way to ensure children with disabilities receive necessary educational services. In summary, due process hearings are a vital protection for your child's civil rights under IDEA. However, before you file for due process, you must understand the stay put and other legal provisions that are triggered when you file a complaint. If you're experiencing issues with your school, equip yourself with the tools and strategies you need to advocate like a professional. Learn all aspects of filing for a due process hearing to protect your child's rights. The Parents Playbook for Special Education Success teaches you exactly how to do this, step by step, from start to finish. This online masterclass includes written content, curated videos, trusted resources, templates, legal research tools and guidance, quizzes, and interactive activities that prepare you to represent your child without breaking the bank on a lawyer. Your child's education matters. The Parents Playbook for Special Education Success gives you the tools needed to get the job done. Transform your frustration into confidence in only 10 weeks. Parents who've taken the masterclass say, "I wish I had this years ago." If you enter the coupon code PARENT10, you'll receive an extra 10% off just for watching this video. Don't wait. You can make a difference for your child. Start today with the Parents Playbook for Special Education Success. Leave a comment to let me know where you're watching from, as well as a question about special education that I can answer. If you'd like to support my work, kindly consider buying me a coffee. The link is in the description below. Also, if you'd like my free one-page guide to your procedural safeguards, check out www.parentsplaybook.org. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video so more parents can find the content they need to help their children. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.